Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to manage PHP versions for your cPanel accounts in Web Host Manager. Introduction. Managing PHP versions is important to ensure compatibility with different applications and websites. Web Host Manager provides an easy way to manage and assign PHP versions to your cPanel accounts using Easy Apache 4 and the Multi-PHP Manager. Steps to manage PHP versions for your cPanel accounts in Web Host Manager. Step 1. Log into Web Host Manager. Open your browser and go to your Web Host Manager login with given URL. Enter your root, Web Host Manager credentials. Step 2. Verify installed PHP versions. In the Web Host Manager search bar, type Easy Apache. Open Easy Apache. Here you can view currently installed PHP versions. Install additional versions if required by clicking Customize greater than PHP versions. Once installed, Web Host Manager will automatically make them available in Multi-PHP Manager. Step 3. Set PHP versions for domains. In the Web Host Manager search bar, type Multi-PHP Manager. Open Multi-PHP Manager. You will see a list of domains and the current PHP versions. To change a PHP version, select the domains. Choose the desired PHP version from the PHP version drop-down. Click Apply. Step 4. Verify the change. Log in to the cPanel account for the domain. Use PHP info, or check via the cPanel right-pointing arrow Multi-PHP Manager to confirm the active PHP version. Conclusion. Managing PHP versions in Web Host Manager is simple with Easy Apache 4 and the Multi-PHP Manager. By assigning the correct PHP version to each cPanel account, you can ensure compatibility, improve performance, and maintain security across your hosted websites. Regularly updating to supported PHP versions will also help protect your server from vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching this video. This video helps you to understand how to manage PHP versions for your cPanel accounts in Web Host Manager.